Welcome to the era of tube magic, where your passion can create profitability for your niche YouTube channel. But what exactly sets tube magic apart? Let's dive into how tube magic can help you build a thriving YouTube channel. The YouTube Idea Generator. Just find a popular video in your niche, look for one with over 250,000 views, and put the URL in the generator, and you have video ideas for your next few videos. AI YouTube Video Script Writer. Just take the ideas you got from the idea generator, and you have your script. And you can pick how long you want the video to be with the slide bar for a word count. AI YouTube script templates for how to script short scripts and more. Keyword research. Uncover the most relevant keywords in your niche to optimize your content for maximum visibility. Content creation tools. These are some tools in the near future. Depending on when you're seeing this video, they may be available. But anyway, from video editing to thumbnail design, Tube Magic offers a suite of tools to elevate your content quality. With Tube Magic, the possibilities are endless. Join the Tube Magic community today and unleash your creativity.